So today we are going to change the headlight bulbs for 2014 Hyundai Accent. I have ordered these from Amazon. I'll put a link. It's very easy to replace. This is how it looks like, the two new LED bulbs. So you come here and open this cover. This is the cover to which has the LED bulb. So if you can zoom in, there is a clip here. This clip, the metal clip, you just press it and it pops open. Take the light out. So this is it says 12 volt 6055 watt 9003 bulb. So you just plug it out and replace it with the new LED bulb. So now I will slide it back in. So this has 3 pointers. They are aligned accordingly. So just put it in and then press the clip back, put all the cable inside, and now let's see the difference. So now you can see the difference between the left side and right side. Right side is the whiter and LED light. Left is still the old one. I just put it to compare and show the difference. We will quickly change the driver side also. So I open the cover. It's a little bit tight space due to this box being here. I believe this is the fuse box. Is it? Is this a fuse box? Yes, the fuse box. So it would be little bit challenging to take the cover out. Okay, the cover is out. Remove the clip. So I have placed the bulb and now tugging in the cables so I can close this and seal the box to prevent it from any water damage. Yeah, the cables are tucked in. This is with low beam and high beam.